Welcome to US Classic Muscle Cars. Please enjoy the next video. Hi, I'm Tina Wong, and I'm here with my dad, Tim Wong, and he's going to give us a little bit of background about his car. So, Dad, do you want to tell me about your car?
Okay, what we have here is a 1968 Oldsmobile Hurst Olds. And 1968 was the first year that Hurst and Oldsmobile collaborated on a special production model. And this is one of 515 that were produced. It was actually one of 64 post-coupes that were produced in 1968. And it has the special color, the Peruvian silver, that you could not get on the 442 or Cutlass with the stripe package. And the really special thing is that it's a 455 engine that you could only get in the Hurst Olds because GM had an edict back then that you could not have anything bigger than 400 cubic inches in the A body in 1968 and 69. So that was kind of Oldsmobile's way of getting around that edict from GM.
Telling us how he came to get this car, because I didn't remember and I really wanted to have a refresher because I was pretty young. So, story time.
Story time. So in 1999 we were at an Oldsmobile show, and parked across from us were a couple of 68 Hurst Olds, and your mother said, "Hey, I like that car." So I made it a mission to go out and find one, because, you know, you got to keep your wife satisfied, right?
So I've heard.
So, and these cars were rare, like I said, and you hardly ever see them come up for sale. And so I subscribed to Hemmings Motor News, and in May of 2000, I got or April of 2000, I got the Hemmings, and in it, there were 3 in a row that were for sale.
All the same year?
Yeah, all 68s.
Post-coupe?
No. I don't know. So I called this one first, and it was down in Houston. And the lady said it was for sale. It was still available. And I took my buddy Craig on a Saturday morning, the next Saturday, and we jumped on a plane, and that was when your mother worked for United, and we got on a plane for free. Got on standby and flew down to Houston, and rented a car and went over to see this car. And it was in a
So this is a Texas car.
This is a Texas car. Oh, actually, it was originally a North Carolina car.
Oh, okay. North Carolina to Texas.
But I bought it in Texas.
To Illinois.
To Illinois. And let's see. And so it was in a beautiful gated community, big houses. And so at 10 o'clock in the morning, we were spinning around this gated community doing burnouts
Awesome.
in this car.
Can you show us the interior and tell us a little bit about it?
Okay, let's take a look.
You're doing a great job.
That was a great idea.
Thank you.
Very personable.
Now all his friends live far away.
So we'll put this.
And so, do you get to drive the car much or often, or?
I do drive it, but mainly in support, because he brought his other car here today, which is the 442.
A twin.
Well, that's a 68 442, a twin, another Oldsmobile.
Wow. Wow. So he has time for his daughter, though, right?
He does.
Good, good.
I've learned more about cars because of this.
Right.
The Vaughn.
Linda
who's
Vaughn,
Miss Hurst,
Miss Hurst.
and Doc Watson, who developed the concept for the Hurst Olds.
Awesome.
He worked for Hurst.
So nice. That is so nice. And then the so ask your dad who comes first in the family.
All right, Dad, who comes first in the family?
You do.
There you go.
He might be just saying that for the camera.
No, we can tell. We can tell.
Yeah.
All this effort they put
Never let her
into
drive this
family.
car for
She
like.
drove it here.
Oh, did she? Oh, no, but I mean when she
Did
was
you
younger.
drive it here?
I did drive it.
Did you really? How was it?
It was a great cruise. Drove it down from Algonquin, so
How far is that?
Yeah.
about an hour.
Oh wow. There you go. There you
Yeah, it was a good cruise.
go. Cool. Cool. And then,
Thank you. Hi, I'm Tina. I do have the microphone.
and what are we looking at here?
So we are looking at a 455 cubic inch engine, 390 horsepower, 500 foot-pounds of torque, and the Hurst Olds, Oldsmobile and Hurst put the W30 package on this engine, which is the hoses here with the ram air scoops under the bumpers.
Oh, is it really? Wow.
Yeah.
Yeah. Look at that. Look at that. That's nice.
And it has a 308 degree camshaft, so you know. Yeah, it's snuck out.
And that means that the camshaft gives it extra power?
Yeah, very lumpy idle that you heard before,
Okay.
and
Right.
and also to keep the weight down, it has the red plastic fender wells,
Okay.
also part of the W30
Oh,
package.
really?
Yeah.
Back then? Really?
Yep.
Huh.
Yeah.
That's surprising. Wow.
Yeah. Actually, that car is a 442 W30, and it has
Right.
the same package on it,
Wow.
on a 400 cubic
Wow.
inch engine.
Talk to you later, Tim.
Oh, hey, good to see you guys. Sorry.
So what is your hobby, right?
What's that?
What is your hobby?
What, my hobby?
I need you to translate.
What's your hobby?
I said, so what is your hobby?
My hobby?
Car collecting.
Right.
Collecting cars.
There you go.
Enjoying them.
Yeah.
Taking my kids out for rides.
Car enthusiast.
There you go.
Yeah.
And if your daughter were to pick one car, would you let her pick one to keep forever and ever?
Maybe one day.
One day soon.
Yeah, maybe one day.
And then, can we hear how the car sounds and have you pull it back? And
It is a big production.
world famous, world famous.
I hope it starts again. Should I push the gas?
Yeah, hold the gas down. There you go.
That's good. All right, bringing it back.
Okay. That's good. Hi. The car club that we belong to is the Northern Illinois Streeters. Okay, out of the McHenry area, Northern Illinois. And we're at Gears and Ears, and we have 20 cars here. Yeah, 20 is part of the club. And you can see them all around here. From the Olds Cutlass over there, the Mustang. Yeah, all the way around here. Also the excellent AMC AMX Javelin over there.
Great.
62 Pontiac Grand Prix.
Cool.
Welcome to US Classic Muscle Cars. Please enjoy the next video. Thank you.